Hey guys, Phantoms Lover here with another weird video to entertain you guys. So today I am going to be doing something that I've been wanting to do since I got here and that I've been craving to do since I got here. I am going to go out into the world and get Filipino food, okay? Yes, I am finally going to find a place that serves Filipino and sells Filipino ingredients and food. I'm gonna take you guys along with me on this journey today, so please don't mind my look here, my appearance. I just got out of the shower. I need to rebrush my hair, and we are going to get out of here. So I will see you guys when we get outside. Okay, so here you'll see me walking through my neighborhood to get to the train station. Yes, it looks creepy, I'm aware, but it is the quickest way to get to the station from my apartment.
The train bound for Paderborn Beach is now approaching. 승객이 모두 내린 후 타시고 문이 닫힐 때는 무리하게 타지 마시기 바랍니다.
So quick note, you're gonna have to hop onto the orange line to get to this place to eat. Okay, so the train station we're getting off here is Busan Station, which is where also the KTX station is. You are going to want to head up the stairs and around to exit 5, as you can see here. Once you get out of exit 5, you will see this giant pillar, which is the entrance to Chinatown. You are gonna hook a right as you get up to that pillar, and it is literally a 2-minute walk straight on forward. Now I got a little bit shy because there were people walking, which is why the camera went down, but you will see the street that looks a little bit like this. Okay guys, well, I hope you enjoyed that very short travel diary. I'm sorry it was not that great with the filming. I'm very shy when it comes to people looking at me while I have my phone out like this and being like a creeper. So I promise I will get better at these as I go along. The name of the restaurant is Mabuhay, Filipino food, Filipino restaurant. The prices they're decent. I ended up spending 14,000 won, which is the equivalent to about $13 for mango juice, plain rice, and then the dineguan. So I do recommend the place. It is very tasty, and it is located in Chinatown in Busan near the KTX station. I will list all of the information down below, so feel free to please check them out if you are in the area. And I hope to come back with more fun content about my adventures in Korea, and that y'all can help me become a little bit more confident in my recording abilities. So until next time, you guys, Phantoms Lover signing out. I will see ya.